Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Epson SureColor T2170 24-inch desktop wireless poster CAD plotter printer. This beast of a machine is designed to revolutionize the way you print, and trust me, it delivers. From its lightning-fast print speeds to its ease of operation, this printer is a game-changer for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. Let's dive right in and talk about one of the most impressive features of the Epson SureColor T2170, its fast print speeds. Imagine being able to produce accurate A1/D size prints in just 43 seconds. That's right, folks, this printer can churn out high-quality prints at an incredible rate, making it perfect for busy offices or production environments where time is of the essence. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, you'll appreciate the ability to quickly print out your designs and get to work on your next project. And with the PrecisionCore MicroTFP printhead, you can be sure that your prints will be of the highest quality, with outstanding clarity and precision. But speed is just one aspect of this amazing printer. Another key feature that really stands out is its ease of operation. The large, intuitive 4.3-inch LCD color touchscreen makes it simple to navigate and manage your print tasks. You can easily select your print settings, monitor your ink levels, and even access advanced features like nozzle verification and printhead cleaning. And with the integrated wireless and Wi-Fi direct printing, you can print from virtually anywhere in the office, using your tablet, smartphone, or computer. This level of convenience and flexibility is a major plus, especially in today's fast-paced work environments. Now, let's talk about the ink cartridges. One of the things that really impressed me about the Epson SureColor T2170 is its high-capacity cartridges, which can hold up to 50 milliliters of color ink and 80 milliliters of black ink. This means you can print more without having to worry about running out of ink, which can be a major cost saver in the long run. And with the all-pigment durable inks, you can be sure that your prints will last longer and resist fading, even when exposed to light or moisture. This is especially important for applications like posters, banners, and other types of signage, where durability is key. But what really puts the Epson SureColor T2170 over the top is its performance. The PrecisionCore MicroTFP printhead offers precision droplet control for outstanding clarity, and the commercial-grade reliability with nozzle verification technology ensures that your prints will be of the highest quality every time. And with the integrated wireless and Wi-Fi direct printing, you can print from anywhere in the office without having to worry about cables or complicated network setups. This level of performance and convenience is hard to find in a printer, especially one that's designed for heavy use. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor T2170 24-inch desktop wireless poster CAD plotter printer is an absolute powerhouse of a machine. With its fast print speeds, ease of operation, high-capacity cartridges, and outstanding performance, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. Whether you're a professional designer, engineer, or just someone who wants to print high-quality posters and banners, this printer is sure to exceed your expectations. So if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Epson SureColor T2170. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Don't settle for mediocre printing. Upgrade to the Epson SureColor T2170 and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.